Bekuyinjabulo yodwa esikhumulweni sezindizi or Tambo International njengoba abanye abantu bakuleli bebese eSudan begcine bebuye ekhaya. Laba abantu babhekene nomzimo obukhulu ngaphambi kokuthi behlengwe njengoba kuliwa nje eSudan.
We had to make some plans to get out of there. I must say it was horrendous. Trying to get to the border post, the last couple of days was very, very difficult.
It was a very terrible nightmare. It was very terrible. Bodies laying around, jets flying all over, bombs, shootings every day.
Umnyango wezoBudlelwane namazwe omhlaba kanye nomnyango wezasekhaya babamba iqhaza elikhulu eqinisekiseni ukuthi bayahlengwa laba bantu.
Really happy to welcome our South African citizens back home, as well as citizens from Zimbabwe and from Lesotho. I'm glad that South Africa was able to play a role even with the rescue of our neighboring country nationals.
eSudan ithi nayiyabukele emazweni afana nelakuleli ekulweleni ukuthula.
The situation in Sudan really required a very close support, a very urgent support, and very friend. We need our friends just to come in to support Sudan, especially our friends and neighbors in Africa.
Kusenjalo kwezinye ingxenye zeSudan kusaqhutshekwa nokuliwa naphezu kwesimemezelo sokumiswa kwakho lokukulwa.
Gone are the days when you phone a police station requesting for protection and police they don't have cars.
Sisathi qwetolo kanti masibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi